An Ayatollah from Audio Direct, and as you can see, we're just wrapping up the final phase of the Hummer H3, part of our premier service, where we picked up the vehicle. Ajman went on holiday and we did all the work for him. So we've put in the PIONEER AVH-Z9250BT, which is obviously the flagship wireless Android Auto wireless CarPlay unit from PIONEER. We've dropped in the JBL Subwoofer, Infinity speakers, and upgraded pretty much every audio aspect of the car, and had to drop in a capacitor as well because the car's now really sounding good, and that extra power is required. So what you don't want to do is drain the battery, so we put a capacitor in line. So what it does is it stores a certain percentage of the battery's power, and it kind of taps into that, and it doesn't drain the battery. So by the time we drop this off, which hopefully is going to be later on today, it's going to be all singing, all dancing. Steering controls are done. The camera on this car was really poor, and being a Hummer, you really need to see what's behind you. The thing is like driving a studio flat, basically. I'm surprised the owner doesn't have a 𝗑𝗏 bill, but now the camera's HD. It's incredibly crisp, and yeah, final bit of work going on. So an Ayatollah from Audio Direct, looking forward to yet another happy customer for this Hummer H2 in our premium service.